Okay. Now let's look at men and work. Men, women and work. ठीक है. Um, ठीक है. Instinctively we know about this already, right? So right now we have to prepare for our exam, right? Now जो हम लोग exam prepare कर रहे हैं उसके लिए, so that is the work which you guys need to do, right? So say you have, say you are two workers. I'm basically just revising what I explained in the video. You have two workers, right? The first worker, and both of them have individually have to bake cakes. All right, okay. The first worker, say his name is Ram. Ram needs to build. So the work which he's been given is he has to bake about 50 cakes, right? And he takes 5 days. Okay, 50 cakes. One second. So you have for the first person Ram who needs to bake 50 cakes and he takes 5 days to bake these 50 cakes. Okay, and there is Seema, right, who needs to bake 100 cakes, right, who takes 5 days also to bake the 100 cakes. All right. Now because now I have two employees, what I decided is अरे अलग अलग काम क्यों कर रहे हो, सेम केक्स बनाने तो साथ में आके काम करो. So totally they are going 150 cakes they have to make, right? Now I want to know, to bake 150 cakes, will they take more than 5 days, less than 5 days? इसको 10 days कर देते हैं चलो. Will it take more than less than 5 days, 5 days, 10 days, or more than 10 days, or will it take 5 and 10 days? Ishika said less than 5 days. Okay.
5 days. Less than 5
Less
days.
than 5 days, sir.
Okay. Why? Can you just give me basic logic? Why?
Because two people are working on 150 cakes, so it takes lesser time.
Exactly, that makes sense, right? In the point is for them to work faster and better together. Yes or no? That's the entire point of them working together, right? So they need to be more efficient. So jaldi khatam hoega when they work together, right? So they will probably take less than 5 days. That's the only reason it will be helpful, right? Now tell me one thing. There was some stuff in the video which we discussed, some basic rules of men and work. Can we quickly revise that? What is the definition? So over here, what will you add over here?
Rate.
You will add the rate. What is the definition of rate?
Total work upon total time taken.
Exactly. So total work done upon the time taken to do that work.
Yes.
So what is the rate for Ram? What is the work that he's doing?
50 upon 5.
Excellent. 50 cakes upon 5 days. So he's baking 10 cakes per day. Yes or no? Similarly,
Yes,
what is
sir.
what is the rate at which Seema is working?
100 upon 5 days.
10 days. 100 upon.
Okay. 10 days
So ये क्या हुआ? 10 cakes per day. Rate
per
is
day.
nothing but the speed. If you notice, 10 cakes per day. That means how fast, how many cakes Seema is making per day. Akina, right? Now
Yes, sir.
you found the rate. That is the first step. Second step क्या होता है?
LCM.
No. let's quickly revise the rules. First step to the steps kya hai? First step is you always find the, first of all you need to find the work, but let's start again. The step 1 is to find the work. We'll discuss that in the next question. Okay? Step 2 is to find the rate. Step 3 is to add or
subtract the rates.
rate. तो ये वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या हो रहा है? Will we add the rates or subtract the rates?
Add.
Why will we add the rates?
Because two of them are working together.
Excellent. Basically, what is happening over here is Ram on his own is making 10 cakes per day, right? Seema is making 10 cakes per day, right? So every day when they're working together, how many cakes are they baking? 10 cakes here and 10 cakes here, right? So you add them together, you will get what? 20 cakes per day.
Per day.
That's because they're working together, right? ठीक है. Then finally, third step क्या है? Is to find the time from the work given. ठीक है, I am just revising these rules with you guys. ठीक है, you all have seen it in the video already. Okay, now there are some other rules. First thing is time cannot be added. Do you know this? Please remember this.
Sir.
This is the most important thing, right? It does not mean oh here 5 days and 10 days to add कर दिया 15 दिन में हो गया उनका काम, right? Okay, so let's quickly do a basic question. So over here, by the way, the work done over here is nothing but LCM of the time given to us. Okay, we will understand what this is in the next question. Okay, so we've seen basic questions of time and work. It's essentially like A takes 10 days to do a piece of work. And B takes 15 days to do the same piece of work. So how much time will it take for A and B to do the same piece of work together? Acha. How will we start this? What is the first step?
Rate.
Take the LCM.
We calculate per day rate.
Hold on. Before we go to per day rate, we need to, our first step always is to assume the work which needs to be done. So assume work. Assuming work is what? The number of cakes which need to be built, which need to be baked, or number of bricks that you're building if you're building a wall. So let's say number of cakes which you need to bake. The work which is what? LCM of the times which have been given to us. क्या क्या टाइम दिया हुआ है हमें?
10 or 15.
10 days and 15 days, right? So this is what? LCM of 10 and 15. Let's find 10 and 15. 2 5s are 15, then 3 5 5 5 1 1. So this is what? 30. So the work, assume work which you have to do is bake 30 cakes. This is the work which needs to be done. Did everyone understand this? Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now second step क्या है? This is the first step which is done. What is the second step?
Rate.
Excellent.
Find rates.
You find the
Find the
rates.
rate.
What is the rate of A? What work is he doing?
10 upon 30.
No. What is the formula for rate?
30 upon 10.
Why? It is work
Total
done
work.
upon time taken.
Yes.
Work क्या है? 30 cakes.
3
Time,
cakes per day.
time taken is 10 days, so his rate is 3 cakes per day.
Per day.
What is the rate of B?
30 upon 15.
30 upon.
30 cakes upon 15.
So 2
Per
cakes
day.
per
2
day.
cake per day.
Yes or no? Now what is happening? What will you do now? What's the next step? क्या है?
Add or subtract the rate.
Yeah. So what will you do over here?
Add. We will add the rate.
Why
Add
will
the
you add
rates.
the rates again?
Because they are
Because
doing the
both
work
are
together.
working together.
Excellent. Because they're working together, the total rate will be rate of A plus rate of B, which is nothing but 3 plus 2, which is 5 cakes per day. Guys, please remember, it is very
Right.
important for you to write down the units because you will get confused otherwise. If you've written down the units, तब आराम से सब समझ आएगा क्या करना है. ठीक है? So total rate कितना हुआ? 5 cakes per day. तो साथ में जब काम कर रहे हैं, जब 5 cakes per day, how many total cakes do they have to bake?
30.
30 cakes.
Total क्या है? 30 cakes, right? So simple unitary
Yes.
method. You have 5 cakes in one day. So 30 cakes in how many days?
Cross multiply.
You cross multiply. So you have 5 into x is equal to 30 into 1. X is equal to 6 days. So time taken for A and B to work together is 6 days. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
So basically, men and work में all you need to remember is that rate is equal to work upon time. ठीक है? So even when we do solved examples over here, solved examples में direct formula वाला use किया है, but I don't want you to solve it like that. Okay? So please open page 148. Please try solved example 1, 2. Try solved examples 1, 2, and 3. Please, if don't look at the solution you get unnecessarily confused. The steps are what we discussed earlier, right? You assume the work which needs to be done is the LCM of the times given. Whatever time has been given to you, that doesn't matter. Individual A का दिया है, A and B का साथ में दिया है, whatever time has been given to you, उसका वर्क
LCM.
अज्यूम करो, LCM फाइंड करके फिर रेट फाइंड करो. रेट ऑफ व्हाटएवर हैज बीन गिवन. ए का दिया है, अगर ए एंड बी का दिया हुआ है, सबका रेट फाइंड करो. Then basically you have to create equations using the rate. You add and subtract based on the logic of the question, and then you find the time from that. Okay, please take 5-10 minutes and solve the solved examples 1, 2, and 3 on page 148. Right, for the second solved example, we found the number of cakes, which is the LCM of the times given is 60 cakes. Second step will be what? To find the rates. Right? किस का rate है? What is given to us? How will we
A का
find?
rate दिया है.
A का rate क्या होएगा?
30. No. 60 upon 30. 60 upon 30.
60 cakes upon 30 days, which is what? 2 cakes
2
per day.
per day.
और कुछ दिया हुआ है हमें?
Total rate दिया है.
Excellent. We have total rate.
together.
Total rate क्या है?
12 days. 12 days.
हाँ, तो रेट क्या कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 60 केक्स अपॉन 12 5 केक्स पर डे. ये क्या है?
Total.
मतलब क्या हुआ टोटल रेट?
Okay. Now got it.
A और B का मिला के कितना दोनों together जब
Excellent.
करेंगे तो
It's A
कितने
and
दिन
B
में खत्म?
together is the total rate here. So isn't this essentially rate of A plus rate of B?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
इससे rate of B find कर सकते हैं. ये 5 है, ये क्या 2 है plus rate of B. Therefore
Three.
rate of B क्या हुआ?
3
3 cakes per day.
per day.
Agreed?
Yes.
ठीक है. B कितने केक्स बना रहा है एक दिन में? 3 केक बना रहा है. टोटल केक्स कितने बनाने हैं?
5
नहीं.
per day.
Rate of B is 3 cakes per day.
60.
What is the total number of cakes?
60.
Or 60.
60 cakes. So you have 3 cakes in one day. 60 कितने होएगा?
How many
20.
days?
3x is equal to 60 into 1. X is equal to 20 days.
K.
Cakes नहीं, days. Cakes यहाँ पे आ गया ना? This is days. समझ आया ये? So B takes 20 days. Yes? Did everyone understand? Anyone who had a doubt, did they understand? नहीं समझ आया पूछो please.
नहीं, समझ गए.
Okay. How will we go about doing the third solved example now? The process is the same for all min and work questions. So first step क्या करेंगे?
Assume the
Number
work.
of the
Assume work.
Okay. So number of cakes क्या होएगा?
12, 15 or 20.
60.
LCM of what?
66. 12, 15, 20.
LCM of 12, 15 and
15 and 20.
20.
excellent. क्या है ये?
60.
12, 15 and 20. 2 6 are 15 and 10. 2 3s are 15, 5. 3 1s are 3 5s are 5. ये क्या है? 1 1 1. 5 2s are 10. 3 into 2 is 6. So 60 cakes. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या करेंगे? Rates find करेंगे.
Rate find.
So first rate क्या find कर सकते हैं हम लोग?
AB का.
Rate of AB.
AB.
क्या है ये? Isn't it rate of
12.
A plus rate of B? इसका वैल्यू क्या होएगा?
60 upon 12.
Excellent. So 5 cakes per day. Next, what will we find? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. What will we do after this now?
Rate of B and
Rate
C.
of B and C.
Okay, rate of B and C will be what?
60 by 15.
60 upon 15.
Yeah, but isn't that rate of B plus rate of C?
Yes.
60 upon?
15
15.
क्या है ये? 4 cakes per day.
per day.
Next क्या होएगा?
A and C.
Rate of C plus
Rate of A and C.
Nothing but rate of A plus rate of C. क्या
Of
है?
C.
60 upon?
20.
So you have
3.
3 cakes per day. अभी क्या करोगे? So you need to find individually rate of A, rate of B and rate of C. अगर ये individually मिल गया तो हम लोग find कर सकते हैं कि how much time they will take. So what do you think we can do over here? See, इस step के बाद क्या करते हैं normally? After we find the rate, what do we do?
Add or subtract.
Add or subtract.
That's the same
Add
thing
or
which you
subtract.
need to do over here now. Think about it. क्या करोगे?
5 plus 4 plus 3 divide by 60.
5
तो-
plus 4 plus 3 तो ठीक है. Divide by 60 क्यों?
Because 60 is the total amount of work.
So
we
can
have to
we
do.
compare two equations?
Okay. If you compare two equations, then see, if we add all of this, what will we get?
Total.
2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 12.
Excellent. ये सब ऐड करो, क्या आएगा? आर ए प्लस आर बी प्लस क्या है? प्लस आर बी प्लस आर सी प्लस आर ए प्लस आर सी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12
12.
cakes per day. ये क्या है? Is there 2 RA plus 2 RB plus 2 RC? Please understand, this does not mean the rate of all three together. Why? Rate of all three together क्या होएगा? Only RA plus RB plus RC. If I ask you what is the rate of ABC, कैसे लिखोगे? Rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C.
Yes, sir.
ये होएगा ना, rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C. So it will be very easy for us to directly jump from here directly to 12 and say 12 is the rate of A, B and C. But that's not true. We have to mathematically see कि क्या है. So ये 12 आया. Now rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C क्या आया? 6 cakes per day. अभी ना ध्यान से देखो. We have this equation. We have this equation, we have this equation, this equation. Now can you get a rate of A separately, rate of B separately, rate of C separately?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Substitution basically. अगर मुझे rate of A find करना है, I have rate of B plus rate of C. Where do I have rate of B plus rate of C? ये है ना rate of B plus rate of C. I have 4. So can I just write this as rate of A plus 4 is equal to 6. So rate of A is nothing but 2 cakes per day. Agreed? Now similarly, if I want to find rate of B, rate of A plus rate of C है हमारे पास. Rate of A plus rate of C कितना है? 3. So rate of B plus 3 is equal to 6. So rate of B क्या है? 3 cakes per day. बचा क्या? Rate of C. A plus B हमें पता है 5 cakes per day है already. इधर से भी पता चल गया है. तो बचा क्या? So rate of C is nothing but 1 cake per day. Yes. How many cakes do you have to bake?
60.
60 cakes. तो A कितने days लगाएगा 60 cakes bake करने के लिए?
60 upon 2.
30 days.
30 days. How much time will B take?
20.
20.
C.
60.
Did everyone get this? ये समझ आया कि कुछ doubt है और? See, why we did that is basically that's the basic way of solving this question. See, the process of solving all the questions is the same. You assume the work which needs to be done. You need to assume the work which needs to be done, which is basically number of cakes which you need to bake. After that, you find the rate, then you add or subtract the rate and get the time. Always the same. Okay? Let's do a few questions from the exercise. Okay? Please do question number from the exercise. Do question number 3. Five. And एक बार question number 7 try करो. 3, 5 and 7. So we have question number 3. Can someone read the question number 3? Did everyone get question number 3? If everyone got it, I will not discuss it. Does anyone have a doubt in question number 3? Please put your hand up. Okay. Let's move on to question number 5. Daniel, can you please tell me what doubt you have in question number 5? Afreen, you have a doubt in question number 3?
The fifth one.
Fifth one, no? Okay. Question number 5, batao. Afreen, tell me what doubt you have. Daniel, please tell me what doubt you have.
So I took the LCM. I got them when I added both of them. I got the answer, but when I substituted them, I got 4.5.
Okay. What LCM did you get? What's the first step did you do?
I took the LCM of 18, 24, and 36.
What is the LCM? So number of cakes is what?
72.
Okay. The LCM of 18, 24, and 36. You got 72 cakes. Abhi, now what do you do now?
A plus B is equal to 72 upon 18.
Rate of A plus rate of B is 72 upon 18. Okay. What is this value?
That's 4 days.
9 2s are 9 8s are, which is 4. 4 days nahi hai. Unit
4
4. What is the
cakes.
unit? Not even 4 cakes.
4 cakes per day.
Excellent. 4 cakes per day. This is very important because it's the rate which you're finding.
Okay.
Then next,
B plus C is equal to 72 upon 24.
which is what?
3 days.
Again,
3 cakes per day.
yeah. Fir,
C plus A is equal to 72 upon 36. That is 2 cakes per day.
now what do you do?
Then I substituted, that is A plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to 9. That is adding all the cakes per
So you
day.
got 2 into rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C is what? 9 cakes per day. Now,
So that I substituted, it was 4.5. Like rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C is equal to 4.5.
that's absolutely correct. Now what do you do?
Then A is equal to 4.5 minus 3 because rate of B plus rate of C is 3.
Why are you finding rate of A?
Because in the sum they said to how much work, no, in what time. Okay, I'm confused here.
Read the question.
In what time can they do it all working together?
Okay. So what do you need for that? You're on the right path. What does this type? What does this mean? Rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C.
The amount of cakes they can bake a day.
Yes. Who's they?
A, B, and C.
Excellent. How many cakes do they have to bake totally?
72.
Right. So can you find how much time will they take to bake 72 cakes?
Yes.
They take what? 4.5 cakes they bake in one day. How many cakes do they have to bake?
In 72 days. X.
No. How many cakes do they have to bake?
72.
Yeah. In how many days? X. So, karo ye.
Okay.
Try understanding what we're doing, right? Instead of just following what the previous question was like, just think about what we're doing. In the previous question, they had asked us to find rate of A separately, rate of B separately, rate of C separately. They wanted to know how much time A will take separately, B will take separately, C will take separately. That's why we found A, B, and C separately. But here they're asking us how much time all of them working together will take. So we don't need to find that separately. We have this together. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Did everyone understand? Afrin, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's look at the 7th question, right? Can someone read out the 7th question, please? Or how is, yeah, read out the 7th question. So you have A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B can do it in 12 days, B worked at it for 9 days, A can finish the remaining work in what time? So what's the first thing that we start off with?
Assuming the work.
Assume the work.
Assuming the work.
So your number of cakes is what? LCM of
20 and 12.
12 and 20.
Yeah.
If you're wondering why we're not taking 9, even if you take 9, your final answer will not be wrong.
Yep.
Right? Okay? We'll take LCM of 12 and 20, which is what?
60.
So 60 cakes is the work which needs to be done. Is the total work which needs to be done. Okay?
Yeah.
अभी क्या करोगे?
Rates.
So you
Rates
have
of A and B.
rate of A क्या है? 60 upon
3. 20 upon 60 upon 20. 3.
3 cakes per day. Is everyone understanding? Please stop me if you don't understand. Similarly, what else do you have? Rate of
B.
B.
It's what? 60 upon
12.
12.
which is what?
5.
5 cakes per day. Now please read the question. What is happening in the question? Can someone explain that to me?
B worked for 9 days with rate 5 per day. So it will be 5 into 9.
Okay, so that's correct. So let's understand that. So essentially what is happening is that B started working and B works for what? 9 days. Right? So can we find out how many cakes B has baked in 9 days?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? If B bakes 5 cakes in 1 day, तो 9 days में कितने cakes bake किए B ने?
45.
45.
5 into 9, 45 cakes.
Yes, sir.
Right? अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? What have they asked you to find?
How many days can A finish the work?
नहीं, read it properly.
A can finish the remaining work in how many days?
So the word remaining is very important. Can you tell me how much work is remaining over here?
15 cakes is
15
remaining.
cakes.
Okay.
How do we get 15 cakes? ये total काम था 60 cakes bake करने का. B worked for 5 days. B worked for 9 days and she baked 45 cakes already. तो बचे कितने? 60 minus 45, which is nothing but 15 cakes. Yes or no? Total cakes bake करने थे 60. B ने 45 बना दिए. So what is the remaining work which needs to be done? Remaining number of cakes left is 15 cakes are only left to be baked. And who's going to bake these cakes?
A.
A is going to bake, right?
Yeah.
So you have 3 cakes. A bakes 3 cakes in 1 day. So how many days will A bake in? How many days will A take to bake 15 cakes?
5.
You have 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 5.
Right.
ये लॉजिक समझ आया ये वाला? Anyone who didn't understand, please let me know. Is there anyone who did not understand this? Okay. Now these types of questions are exactly the reason why I use this instead of the formula, because it's very simple to understand it logically कि कैसे solve करते हैं. ठीक है? So let's do more questions like this. So please do question number 10. ठीक है? Anyone who's done question number 10,
Yes, sir.
Okay, move on. I'll tell you more questions to do. Do question 11. Do question 12. And लास्ट एक क्वेश्चन 16 भी ट्राई करो. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन 16 छोड़ो, डू क्वेश्चन 20. क्वेश्चन 20 एंड ऑल्सो एक पे मनी के साथ भी कर लेते हैं. Question 24. Take your time and finish this. Please let me know when you're done. Here it's not necessary, but even if you take the LCM of 8, answer में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, because it's your assumption which you're making. There's nothing wrong with it. It just makes your calculation easier. So if you want, you can take LCM of all the numbers also. Okay? So essentially, when you say A is twice as good as B, this is the 20th question. All you're saying is the rate of A is 2 times the rate of B. Right? Now, in the 20th question, it states that A is twice as good a workman as B. And together they finish a piece of work in 14 days. A alone can finish the work in how much time? So, isme again, the process of solving is the same. What do we do? First step kya hai?
Assuming.
You have to assume number of cakes which need to be baked. And how many is that?
14.
14 ही दिया तो 14 ही लिख लेते हैं. 14 cakes. Right? Now what do we do? बताओ.
Rate.
We find the rate. Rate of what?
Find
Of the cake.
किसका rate है? Question पढ़ो.
together.
तो किसका rate होएगा?
A
Rate
and
of
B.
A plus B.
So rate of A plus rate of B क्या हुआ?
14 upon 14.
14 upon 14, which is what, 1 cake per day. But it has also been given to us that A is twice as good as B. We know rate of A is equal to 2 into rate of B. Yes or no?
0.5.
तो इसको replace कर सकते हैं? हाँ कि ना? Can I say
Yes.
3? Can I say 2 into rate of B plus rate of B is equal to 1 cake per day? So 3 into rate of B is 1. Therefore, rate of B is nothing but 1 by 3 cakes per day.
Okay.
So rate of A क्या है? 2 RB, 2 by 3 cakes per day. Yes or no? And what have they asked you to find?
This again.
This?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood what this means? A is twice as good as B.
Yes, sir.
उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Rate of A is equal to 2 times rate of B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, it means 2 rate of A equals to B, no?
no. इसमें which is better, A या B? कौन सा better है?
B.
ध्यान से सोचो. Read this.
A.
A is better ना?
Yes.
So A का rate will be more. So rate of A is 2 times rate of B because A is twice as good as B. ये देखो ना, which we discussed. The slower the student who takes more time to study was studying at 2 chapters per hour. The student who understands faster studies at 4 chapters per hour. So he's twice as fast as the other student. Yes or no? So you understood rate of A is 2 rate of B, right? Now we know rate of A plus rate of B is 1 cake per day. You understood that,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So all I have done over here is rate of A is equal to 2 rate of B को यहाँ पे substitute किया है. So RA is nothing but 2 RB. So can you see 2 RB plus RB, ये वाला RB यहाँ पे डाल दिया. So what did you get? 3 RB is equal to 1 cake per day. Yes. So I brought this 3 down. What did I get? Rate of B is nothing but 1 upon 3 cakes per day. And rate of A is nothing but 2 into rate of B. Rate of A is 2 into rate of B. So क्या हुआ? 2 by 3 cakes per day. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And what do we need to find? How much time will A alone take to finish the work? A का rate क्या है? Rate of A is 2 by 3 cakes per day. So 2 by 3 cakes in 1 day. How many cakes did they have to bake totally? 14. Yes or no? Fourteen is equal to 2x by 3. 2 sevens are x is 21 days. समझ आया ये? Right? Okay. Now 24th question.
Sir, can you show the previous page? Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So 24th question. We need to now tell me one thing. If someone works, say you have 1,000 rupees. Right? And there are 2 people. There is A and B. Okay? But A is like 5 times better than B. Can you tell me how will you divide this money between A and B? Will you give A half and B half? Will you give 500, 500? Is that fair?
A will get 5 parts of 1,000. Means 5:1.
Excellent. Basically, what you will do is you will divide this money in the ratio 5:1.
What? Tell me also.
But he wants to say
He wants to.
every day in the evening he goes home, no? Then he gets bored, he don't know what to do, so he wants to make chapatis.
Okay. So you have the wage, which is 1,000 rupees. I said the rate A is 5 times as good as B, right? So you were dividing the money in 5:1 ratio. Okay? Essentially what you do is you divide the money in the ratio. So wages are divided. Wages का जो ratio है is the ratio of the rates. Right? As we discussed earlier, rate of A would be 5 times rate of B. Right? So RA upon RB would be nothing but 5/1. Same thing over here. That this ratio is what the money will be divided. So for the 24th question, it states that A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do it in 15 days if they work together and finish it. They work together and they finish it. The total, out of total wage of 75 rupees, A will get what? Again, the process is the same. What will we do first? First step क्या है यहाँ पे? Can someone tell me? Right? LCM, number of cakes will be LCM of 10 and 15, which is what? 30 cakes. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? We will find rate of A, which is what? 30/10, which is 3 cakes per day. Rate of B is 30/15, which is 2 cakes per day. Yes or no? Right? So now we have the rates. What have we discussed? The wages ratio is the ratio of the rates. So RA is to RB क्या है? RA is to RB is nothing but 3:2. Yes? We have RA is to RB is nothing but 3:2. What is the total amount which they're getting? 75 rupees. We need to find out how much money will A get. So how do we find A's part? We've done this in ratio proportion. कैसे करेंगे?
$75 into 3/5.
Yeah. 3/3 plus 2 into 75.
75.
This 3/5 into 75. Did everyone understand? Anyone who did not understand, please let me know. Okay. ठीक है. Now, I want you all to move on to the chapter of pipes and cisterns. ठीक है? Now, pipes and cisterns. Kushi will do question number 38 types of questions later on. This is a different type of questions. We'll do it later on. I'll have to explain all of this. Okay? So after, I think so, question number 29 के बाद we'll do it later on. Question 17 में क्या है? Okay, let's discuss question 17 before we go to pipes and cisterns. बताओ. Dhrumesh, tell me what doubt do you have in question 17?
Sir, what LCM do we have to take in that? Sir?
You don't see, the thing is
71.
with LCM, you don't have to worry. You can take LCM of all if you want. It doesn't matter. It's to make your calculation easy. ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, सबका ले लो.
Okay, sir.
30 and 20 का लेना है, 30, 20, 20 ले लो. क्या है? Doesn't matter. 60.
And sir, in the 15th one, can you explain that 1.5 times as fast as that?
क्या मतलब हुआ? अगर मैं 1.5 के इंस्टेड 2 टाइम्स लिख दूं क्या होएगा?
Means Ramesh is 2 times faster
As
than
Sunil.
Sunil.
हाँ, how do we convert that into our men and work के फॉर्मेट में? हम दोनों डिस्कस किया ना अभी just now. If I say A is 2 times as fast as B, what does that mean? That basically means rate of A is 2 times rate of B. Understood? If we are two
Yes, sir.
people baking cakes and I say A is 2 times as good as B, so speed of A is 2 times as fast as B, right?
Yes.
वही तो बोला यहाँ पे. अभी 2 के इंस्टेड 1.5 दिया है तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? It will just become rate of Ramesh is 1.5 times rate of Sunil. Yes?
Okay. Yes, yes, sir.
Makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. एक second. Let's do question 28. Tell me, Saj. Tell me your doubt, Saj. How will we start doing question 28? You can write it down also in the chat if that's more comfortable.
LCM would be 18 only.
ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ केक्स ले लिया. क्या है? 18 केक्स है. फिर
Sir, it is given that A does half as much work as B, so A is equals B is equals to 2A.
A does half as much work as B in 3/4 of the time. So can I just take the time which B takes as say T,
Yeah.
right? So time which A takes is what essentially? Read the
1/4.
first. No. पढ़ो. A does half as much work in 3/4 of the time. अच्छा. How much work is A doing?
Half.
How much is that? Total work
9
कितना?
cakes.
Exactly 9 cakes. ठीक है. कितना टाइम,
Yeah.
कितने टाइम में 9 केक्स बना रहा है ये?
3/4 of the time.
3/4 of whose time?
B's.
Right? So time of A क्या हुआ?
3/4.
3/4 of T.
3/4 into T.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? And this T is what? Time
1.
which B takes
Yes.
to bake how many cakes?
18. No.
Yep.
8.
18 cakes. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो रेट ऑफ बी क्या हुआ ये इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ?
18 upon T.
एक्सेलेंट. केक्स पर डे. इधर रेट ऑफ ए क्या हुआ?
9 upon 3/4. Yes.
9/3T/4
Yes.
केक्स पर डे. ये क्या है? 12/T केक्स पर डे.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now what have they said? If together they take 18 days to complete the work, right? So to rate of A plus rate of B क्या हुआ?
30/T.
नहीं. हाँ sorry ठीक है. 18/T plus 12/T. So it is 30/T cakes per day. Right?
Yes,
And
sir.
how many cakes do they have to bake?
Eight-
Same
80.
logic. They have 30/T cakes they bake in one day. Total कितने bake करने हैं उन लोग को?
18.
So X. right? So ये क्या है 30 by t x is equal to 18 into 1. So x is equal to 18t by 30. 3 10s are 3 6s are 2 5s are 2 3s are. So x is equal to 3t by 5. ये क्या है?
So the time taken is days.
For both of them to finish the piece of work.
Yes, sir.
ये दिया हुआ है हमें.
हाँ.
क्या है ये वैल्यू?
Sir, whose value?
x का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है हमें.
हाँ.
क्या है ये? 18.
Yes.
3t by 5.
Yes, sir.
So t is nothing but 30 days. This is the time which B takes. They've asked you how much time will B take to finish the piece of work? 30 days.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Everyone, I want to just last concept I just want to explain is pipes and cisterns. It's the same thing as Menenberg. The process also is the same, right? Again, you start off by assuming work which needs to be done, right? Over here, the work which you're assuming is the capacity of the tank. Okay, please go to page 156. Let's do solved example 1 together. Okay, it states that two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. Both tanks are opened simultaneously. How much time will it take to fill the tank? So ये देखो, there is one pipe here and one pipe here, right? First, let's find out what the capacity of the tank is. Can someone tell me what the capacity of the tank will be?
LCM of 36.
LCM of
LCM of
36
36 and 45.
Excellent. So 36 and 45. क्या है ये वैल्यू? Five into 2 is 10. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So 180 liters. ठीक है? Okay. Now the process is the same over here. What do we do? अगर ये Menenberg का क्वेश्चन होता है क्या करते हैं इसके बाद?
Rate.
Excellent. So can I find the rate of A? At what rate is it filling the tank?
180 by 16. 36, sorry.
Yeah. 180 by 36. Right? You have 5 liters per hour. Agreed? Similarly, rate of B क्या है? 180 upon 45. 9 5s are 920. 4 liters per hour. अभी एक चीज मुझे बताओ. What are these two pipes doing?
Filling the tank.
Both of them are filling the tank.
Yes.
So effectively क्या हुआ? What is happening? What will you do now?
Add the rates.
Excellent.
We will add the rate.
अगर दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन दिया होता जहाँ पे ए भर रहा है एंड बी पानी निकाल रहा है, तब क्या करते? इफेक्टिव रेट क्या होता है? Should have been 5 minus 4 because effectively वो हो रहा है ना, 5 अंदर जा रहा है 4 बाहर जा रहा है, तो effectively 1 liter per hour बढ़ रहा है. Yes or no?
Yes.
But in this question, effective rate is nothing but rate of A plus rate of B, which is what? 9 liters per hour. Right? You have 9 liters in 1 hour. How many liters do you have to fill? liters.
180 liters.
X. So 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 20. So 20 hours. Yes or no? Process is the absolute same. कुछ फर्क नहीं है इसमें, राइट? से let's look at question number 2 from the exercise. It states that a tap can fill a cistern. Cistern is nothing but like a big bucket. Assume it's a big bucket or big tank in 8 hours, and another can empty it in 16 hours. If both taps are open simultaneously, the time in hours to fill the tank is. Okay. How will we start this question?
LCM.
Capacity is what? LCM of 8 and 16. So 16 liters. फिर क्या करेंगे? Say rate of A क्या है? 16 upon 8, which is 2 liters per hour. Rate of B is 16 upon 16, which is 1 liter per hour, right? Let's draw the diagram. Which is filling the tank, A or B?
A.
So A is filling the tank and B is emptying the tank. ये है 2 liters per hour पे, ये है 1 liter per hour. So effective rate क्या हुआ?
One.
Rate of A
1
minus
liter
rate
per
of B, which is nothing but 1 liter per hour, right? If it's 1 liter in 1 hour, तो हमें कितने लीटर्स भरने हैं?
16 liters.
Excellent.
16.
So X is nothing but 16 hours.
16.
समझ आया? Process is the same. अगर 2 आ गए, 3 आ गए, logic and all is the same. ठीक है? Did everyone understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Do you guys have any other doubts?
Mm,
So end वाले जो questions है, there are some end questions in men and work. I think so after question number 29, we'll do them in a separate chapter. उसके लिए थोड़ा सा अलग समझाना पड़ेगा. But before question number 29, you should be able to do all of them.
Sir, one
Sir.
question.
Yeah.
Sir, in exams मतलब ये लोग ऐसे similar type के questions पूछते हैं
Yeah.
like from these chapters.
यही questions, same ही questions कभी कभी आ जाते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Exactly same. This is the same. यही practice करोगे, it's more than enough.
Okay, sir.
sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, if there is time given in points, so can we take the LCM of that too?
You can.
Okay.
अगर LCM अगर उसका नहीं लेना है, say for example आपको 4.5 hours दिया हुआ है and say 10 hours दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? If you want, you can take LCM of 9 also. इसको multiply by 2 करके LCM ले लो.
Okay.
Because logic समझो, your LCM is for your own calculation आसान करने के लिए, right?
Okay.
तो अगर 9 का मल्टीपल है तो 4.5 का भी मल्टीपल होएगा. से आपने 9 and 10 का ले लिया तो क्या है? 90 हो गया.
Yes.
तो 90 divided by 4.5. समझ आया? 20 cakes per hour per day जो भी है.
Okay. Yep. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
ठीक है. Yeah, Khushi, tell me question number 18. Khushi? Yeah,